Welcome, today I am with Motorola Moto E20 and I'll show you the loudest speaker level of this device. So I will measure the sound with this decibel meter. Right now I'm going to turn it on. Okay, and I'm going also to set it up to the highest mode volume. And as you can see, it's turned on, and right now it means that these values on the screen will only change when the device registers the higher volume level than the previous one. Of course, right now we are going to skip these ads, and right now let's turn on the highest quality, 720p, and of course I will put this device close to the speaker. We can find it right here at the bottom of the phone. So let's put it right here, very close, and we can basically enable the maximum volume level right now. As you can see, there it is, and just press play. Okay, so as you can see, Motorola Moto E20 reached 111.9 decibels. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our HardReset.Info channel.